Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Xiaomi's latest flagship, the Xiaomi 13 Pro. This phone is packed with top-tier specs, a stunning display, and an impressive camera system, all at a price that undercuts many of its competitors. If you're considering upgrading to a new smartphone, you'll want to stick around as we explore why the Xiaomi 13 Pro could be the perfect choice for you. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the design. The Xiaomi 13 Pro is a beautifully crafted device that feels every bit as premium as it looks. It features a sleek ceramic back panel that not only adds a touch of luxury but also makes it more resistant to scratches. The phone's curved edges blend seamlessly into the metal frame, giving it an elegant, unibody feel. The device is available in stunning colors like ceramic white, ceramic black, and the eye-catching flora green. It's a bit on the heavier side due to its solid build, but the curved edges make it comfortable to hold. It's also IP68 rated, meaning it's dust and water resistant, perfect for everyday mishaps. Moving on to the display, the Xiaomi 13 Pro boasts a 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. This means you're getting super sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and buttery smooth animations whether you're gaming, streaming videos, or simply scrolling through your feeds. The display also supports Dolby Vision and HDR10, enhancing your viewing experience with deeper contrasts and more dynamic colors. With a peak brightness of 1900 nits, this screen remains easily visible even in bright outdoor conditions. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 13 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, one of the fastest chips on the market right now. Coupled with up to 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage, this phone handles everything from heavy multitasking to high-end gaming with ease. The performance is snappy, apps open quickly, and there's virtually no lag even when running demanding applications. This phone is designed for power users who need a device that can keep up with their fast-paced lifestyle. The camera system on the Xiaomi 13 Pro is where things get really exciting. It features a triple camera setup developed in partnership with Leica, offering a 5.0.3MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP telephoto lens with 3.2x optical zoom. The main camera uses a 1-inch Sony IMX989 sensor, which is one of the largest sensors you can find on a smartphone today. This results in excellent low light performance, better dynamic range, and crisp, detailed images. The Leica color science enhances your photos with true-to-life colors, making every shot look professional. The ultra-wide lens captures expansive landscapes without distortion, and the telephoto lens is perfect for portraits and zooming into distant objects without losing clarity. For video lovers, the Xiaomi 13 Pro can record in 8K, and the advanced stabilization helps keep your footage smooth even in challenging conditions. When it comes to battery life, the Xiaomi 13 Pro packs a 4820 mAh battery that comfortably lasts a full day with heavy use. It supports 120W hypercharge, which can juice up your phone from 0 to 100% in just about 20 minutes. That's right, this phone charges faster than you can finish your morning coffee. It also supports 50W wireless charging and 10W reverse wireless charging, making it versatile for various charging scenarios. The Xiaomi 13 Pro runs on MIUI 14 based on Android 13, providing a smooth and customizable user experience. MIUI has come a long way, and now it's more refined with less bloatware and a cleaner interface. You'll find plenty of customization options, from changing the look of your icons to tweaking system animations, letting you personalize the phone to your liking. While MIUI can be a bit different from stock Android, once you get used to its unique features and shortcuts, it's incredibly efficient and user-friendly. So, is the Xiaomi 13 Pro worth your hard-earned cash? Absolutely. With its stunning design, incredible display, powerhouse performance, and top-of-the-line camera system, it's a flagship phone that ticks all the boxes. It offers nearly everything you'd expect from a premium device, but at a more competitive price compared to other top brands. If you're looking for a high-performance smartphone that doesn't compromise on style or functionality, the Xiaomi 13 Pro should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you think of the Xiaomi 13 Pro. See you in the next one.